principal, respected teachers, good morning. Good afternoon to all. I am Pravanita, 4th standard California. I am here to speak about Independence Day. This is one of our national festivals. We celebrate on August 15 every year. First of all, I wish you happy Independence Day. This year we celebrate 79th Independence Day. Our India got independence on August 15, 1947 from British. So this day we remember our brave freedom fighters such as V.O. Chidambaram, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Veer Nachal, Bharatiyar, and so on. Our Independence Day teaches power of unity. I am in the end to be